Hello, your traders. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Sulaiman Khan. So today I'm gonna discuss about the gold market, that what has happened in last few weeks with the gold, and what are the possibilities in the future for the gold, and where we can see the next future prices. So first of all, we will discuss on the behalf of fundamentally that what are the essential and economic events that we have this week and how market will interact this week. So this week would be, if you look at here on the Forex factory, so you can see here on Monday, tomorrow, we have again very important data on the behalf of USD. So ISM manufacturing PMI and Fetcher Paul speech. So this is a member speech. So this would be the Monday would be it would be again a very crucial day for the gold and all the markets. On Tuesday we have the jobs opening and the chef CPI and all data we have. So Tuesday will be also slightly a volatile day for the gold. And if you look at on the Wednesday again we have a very important data, that's ADP non-farm employment change and ISM services PMI. So this would be again a very big day for the gold market. And if you look at on the Thursday again we have the important data, unemployment claims, so this would be another important day. But on Wednesday, on Wednesday will be the deciding day for the gold market. And if you look at here on Friday, again we have a very huge data and very volatile data, that's the NFP. We have the unemployment claims, so that can make the market very much volatile. So overall this week will be very crucial week for the gold market, and we can see a big spikes and we can see a big retracements this week. So I will suggest you, if you are new in trading, so don't trade this week, because this week will be the very much volatile week. So now let's come to us technically, that what are the possibilities with the gold and what we can see in the future term, where we can see the market can go. So right now if you will look at here on the daily time frame chart, so first of all I will open the weekly time frame chart. So on weekly time frame chart, few things you should have to carefully look at. The first one is this bullish engulfing candle. This would be the very important candle for the gold. And one more thing, and if you will look at a history of the engulfing candles, that how does engulfing candle works. Basically the concept of engulfing candles is like that. Whenever market used to place this engulfing candle, that bullish engulfing candle, so market, as you can see, market moved upside. Again we can see here that market can again goes upside. This could be the possibility, and this is how bullish engulfing candles works. This is the concept of the engulfing things, that how engulfing candle works. But we will make it more precise, that on the behalf of H4 time frame chart and daily time frame chart, that where we can see the perfect possibility area. But one more thing, again I'm saying that this area basically, and this is approximately 500 pips and it's a big pips. So this area would be the huge area for us to look for the good buy setup in the future market. So basically one thing is very confirmed. I will suggest you that don't sell in this area. You can buy every dip, you can buy whenever market will comes to this area, you should have to buy. This is not a basic suggestion, but this is how technically things works. This is the concept of the engulfing candles, how engulfing candles interact. This is how engulfing candle reacts. So market can goes in between those areas. Now let it make it more clear. If you will look at on daily time frame chart, so if you will look at her daily time frame chart, so you will see here that basically this engulfing was basically on the behalf of that area 1870, but market is still, though it is breaching that engulfing concept. But if you will look at here on a daily time frame chart, if I will draw some trend lines or parallel channels or fab channels, that will make us more clarity that where we can see the future of the gold market. So right now you can see that here I am going to draw the fab channels. This is same like a trend line, like that. You can see here that I have draw here a trend line. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, and this is how market was interacting previously. Yeah. So here you can see, guys, as you know the concept of Fibonacci retracement areas. So 61.8 retracement area and 38.2. So if market will be able to come, if market will be, right now market is at a selling area, you can see here 78.6 retracement area. So that's again selling area. So next buying area according to Fibonacci retracement area, according to Fibonacci, the best buying area for us, that would be the range of 1780 till 1760. This would be the perfect buying area according to Fibonacci retracement levels. So right now where market is, if market should not, basically market should not have to break this area 1866, but right now market has break this area, so market has just fell down. So this area I will not suggest you to look at here in a buy trade until you will get a confirmation. But the good area would be the, for a buying area, for good scalping area would be, the range would be, I will minimize that range for you guys, sorry. Yeah, the this would be the range for us for the gold to buy 1833 till 1800. This would be the good buying range for us for the gold in a scalping way. But next good buying range would be 1764, and this would be the best area for us to look for the gold buy trade setup. So now again one more thing here, guys, a lot of people, they used to ask that what was happening with the gold, what was happening with the gold. So now let me tell you a few things. Actually, you know, there's a Fed is near to bankrupt. The first reason. Second reason is that there's a recession. And third reason is the biggest reason, that's the oil prices are moving too much heavily, and that is leading towards the recession very. And US is nearly they are near to close their government schemes and all those things, and bonds, US treasury yields and bonds are rising too much rapidly. So these are some things that are making a lot of fear. Right now market is falling just because of fear. And one thing is very clear, guys, whenever there's a fear in the market, or whenever there's a intensity in the market, I will not suggest you to trade in that market. This is not a market, basically this is just the like acceleration and deceleration. Anytime market can goes upside and you can lose, and in these scenarios technicals doesn't work. So again I'm mentioning you, if you have the good equity, and so I will suggest you, if you are using big lots, don't use big lots, only use a smallest lot sizes that can save your account, because this is not the market. Usually you can see here that this was an important area. Basically you know that this is according to my knowledge, market is like that. It will fall like that, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. This is actual the market. You can say that market is falling, market is in a bearish zone. But if market is falling like that, this is just a drop, this is the deceleration. And whenever such type of things happen like deceleration and drop, these are just because of fear. Anytime anything that will just give a hint to the gold that can make just slightly the upside, you will see that market will move like that. And again you guys will be stuck in the selling here. You will see that market is retracing. Basically market is not retracing. Basically this is not the actual market. I'm again saying sorry to everyone, this is not a market, this is just the fear. And what is the fear? The fear, basically the rising of the oil prices. The second thing, that Fed is going to again increase the interest rate. So until interest rate decision, nothing is clear, guys, nothing is clear. So I will not suggest you that to look at the buy trades or to trade in such type of market, because this is not actual market. Now if you will open the, even though H4 time frame chart, you will see here that, look at here, there's a no retracement, and look at here, just that there's a no retracement here from this area. Yeah, from here market has given us no retracement, again fell down. This is not a market actually, this is just the drop, this is just the deceleration. So I will not suggest you to trade in such type of markets. So this is not the actual market, so I will not suggest you to trade in such type of markets. So now if you will look at here on the daily time frame chart, again I will tell you a few things. about the daily time frame chart, that where we can see the next possible moves. So if you will look at here on the daily time frame chart, I will draw some parallel channels again, so to make things more clear. Sorry. So if you will look at here, again, yeah, guys, according to this area, according to this parallel channel, that you can see here that market did not give us any respect on this area. As I mentioned, that 1876 was the area where market must have to give us the respect, but market did not give us any respect. So right now, again, 1822 would be the good buying area for us. So everyone who are in the buy setups, or who are having the longs, so I will suggest you that they can hold their trades until 1790, because we can see some fake spikes here, but this would be the good buying area. And again, we can look for the long-term buy trades. Long-term buy trades are still, though there's a possibility that market can again goes towards the upside. Why I'm again mentioning, this was just the deceleration, this was just a fear. Anytime things will be sorted out, market will be again pumped, and this time the pump would be huge pump, and we can see the breakout of this area 1912. So right now, if you are a long-term trader, I will suggest you that if you want to open the long-term sell trades, I will suggest you have to wait for this area. If you are a long-term trader, I will suggest you to look at here buy trade with a stop loss here like 1790, and you can hold your first target 1864, and again you can hold your trades 1900. And if you are still, though you want to look for the short trades, I will suggest you that either you have to wait for here the retracement, here you can look for a sell trades for this move, or you have to wait for this particular area and you have to sell at this particular area 1780 or 17. This would be again selling zone area for us. Until before that, I will not suggest anyone to look for a sell trades or buy trades, because market is not in a good condition. All the markets, they are not in a good condition. If you look at oil prices, they are still hoping, Saudi Arabia, they are still planning to look for the oil prices $100 per barrel, and right now the price is oil is approximately it's $89 per barrel. So right now we can again, there is a hope that market can again goes upside, and if the oil price will be goes towards $100 per barrel, we can see a huge and again massive drop of the gold until 1600. If the prices would be $100 per barrel, then market can goes again on this area 1700 or 1600 would be the range. Possibly we can see the market at this area, but right now things are going slightly better on the behalf of the prices of the oil. So we can hope that this would be the particular area where we can see the long-term buy trades. So right now, guys, there is, I'm again mentioning, if we will see any pump here, if we will see any pump here 1820, that is the surety that market can go till this area. There would be no break, because again I have mentioned this was just deceleration, and whenever deceleration pattern formed, and the same way market accelerated at the same way until market will give us any proper retracement zone areas, then we can see that okay, now market is retracement, now market is proper in a zone area. But right now we can hope that within a month maybe market can again goes towards 1900 or above that. Second opportunity we have this area, as I mentioned, this was a bullish engulfing area. So here we can look for the buy trades 1820 or 1810 until 1800. This will be the good buying setup for everyone. They can look for the buy trades. So, and you would have the stop loss 1790 and you can hold your trades. And if you will look at the H4 time frame chart, I will look at H4 time frame chart, the much more possibilities. Right now we have the gold. Now if you look at H4 time frame chart, you will see here that market has slightly here give us a respect on this area. As I mentioned on the parallel channel, market has given us slightly respect, but this is not the actual respect. Market should have to move like that. It should have to like the respect this area, again pumped slightly, like at least market should have to give us a retracement of 1897, then it can fall down. So this was the actual market, then again market retracement, then it can fall down to this area. But this is not how market, because market has broke, market has, after that market again falls down, there's no retracement, again market has slightly retraced, only this move is retraced. So this move is retraced. So again, one more good news and one more thing I want to tell you, that if market will be able to break this area 1870 1880, there's 100% surety that we can see a much more spike upside. Why? The reason is that this is all the FVG zone, fair value gap. These are all the fair value gaps if you look at here. And if you will look at, I will tell you on the 1 daily time frame chart. So if you will look at here, yeah, this is basically the area. This area is basically the fair value gap. A lot of imbalances in here in between those things. So we can see again that market will soon cover those gaps. So guys, for this week I will suggest you follow money management, trade very wisely. This would be the very crucial week. We have a lot of newses, and for our traders, like for VIP members, they are hope so they are enjoying good and great profits, because we try our best with a minimum stop loss. I'll try my best that we should have to give you the much more good take profits. So right now I will suggest you that just follow money management, just trade very wisely, don't overtrade. Just if you are just getting your target slightly, just take it and take off and get back. So only these are the areas right now we have for buying trades. Other all areas, if you are entering here in a buy trade or sell trade, that's just a bullshit. So that will be just a trap. So don't trap yourself. So only try to follow the good and ethical areas where you can look for the buy trades. So right now all the markets, even the US 30, gold, oil and forex pairs, all are stuck. So I will suggest you everyone to stay away and follow and the money management, and or try to look at the best and good opportunity. That's it for you. So stay blessed and take care of yourself, and must remember us in your prayers.